I tried everything, and when I say everything, I googled every single possible solution and tried one by one, from painkillers, acupuncture, chiropractor, osteopath, massage therapy, visceral therapy. Then I decided to get a steroid injection, which didn't help at all. From then on, I went on to prolotherapy, and that's where I find out about the shockwave.
Yeah.
So I was told about it when I was receiving prolotherapy treatment in Bedford. The therapist there told me that in my case, because the joint is calcified and it's clearly been, the trauma's been there for many years, although not causing any issues only after the surgery. He told me that because of calcification, I should get some shockwave therapy treatments, and he said to me, just Google, you'll find someone near you. I rang up a couple of clinics that said they do shockwave therapy. However, it wasn't the focus. So then I realized that there are two types of shockwave therapies, and then I found this clinic here. So for me, I think from the second session, I started to notice that the pain, when I had pain, it was not as intense, and also the episodes would be a little shorter. And after every session, that's what was happening. The intensity was less, and the duration of the pain was a lot less. So when I first came, the pain was, as I said, about 8 to 9 every single day, no fail. And now, after the session 5, I actually remember turning around to my husband and saying, it's actually working. I have hardly any pain. So when I feel it, it's one. So I would say 1 to 2, and and today is the last session. So let's hope even that improves.
Yeah.
I was doing things I had to do instead of things, so there was very little space for hobby or any sort of, and I was miserable. I was utterly miserable, and I have a sitting job, which is also not ideal when you've got coccyx pain and you can't sit. Now, I've just been to the party and where I played badminton with family and had barbecue and no problems there. I'm hoping the things are going to keep improving, and I also know that if a condition comes back, as it's a chronic condition, if something happens, I can always come back, and there is a solution out there.